$5 meals, $5 milkshakes, or smoothies. Oh, it's an Oreo smoothie. Oh, that joint look tough. I don't even know what I ordered. $2018 Cottman. You got the cakes in this joint. Chocolate cake look alright. Red velvet. It's probably a carrot cake. I don't fucking know. Yeah, go to this joint. What's your name, bro?
Fernando. I'm the best smoothies maker on Parker Hot Chicken.
Alright, y'all come check him out. How long has joint been open?
Like since October, I would say.
October? Alright, so it's kind of new. Oh, that's what's up. What's up? What's your favorite joint on the menu?
I would say the slider with fries.
The slider fries? Oh, the slider with fries? Alright. Alright.
Mac and cheese, I like it. I like cheese steak, $5.
Y'all cheesesteak's good?
With fries, can't go wrong with it.
They got fries on it?
$5.
Oh, that's tough. That's tough. That's tough. More Jones?
Yeah, we are about to open on 29, Gerard.
Okay. Alright, yeah.
About to open a second location over there.
Alright. Yeah, that's
Parker
tough.
Hot Chicken, second location.
That's tough. How y'all get to like the price of $5? Like, how y'all can keep it at $5?
We keep it like that. You know, it's a little. It all started with the mac and cheese,
Okay.
macaroni, cheese, salad, fries, and chicken. $5.
Okay.
And then we started from there. We added a couple of stuff, $5. But then we kept going.
Okay.
And we added more stuff.
Yeah.
Now we stuck. And we stick with it.
Okay, that's good. That's good, man. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a lot of people coming through, man. $5, you can't beat that. Nowhere in the city.
I'm glad all these customers.
Yeah.
Customers.
Damn, that's good.
Shawarma over rice.
I appreciate you,
salad,
bro.
$5.
I'm about to taste your smoothie. I didn't even notice it was a I was thinking it was a milkshake. You said, I looked at the joint again and said smoothie. Hold on, that's
It's
it.
like in between.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta pull a little technical in order to texturize it. Great.
That joint good as shit. That joint good as shit, bro. That joint good, yeah. I'll definitely be back,
Especially when
man.
you're eating something salty.
Yeah, you need that.
Need
that. You said your name is Fernando, right?
Fernando.
All right, bro. I'm Frank. P. Frank.
P. Frank.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro. All right. That's all right. You give me the full government. It's all right.
I'll start with the raise.
Yeah. All right, my brother. I'm going to go try the shit in the car, and I'll holler at you. All right, so about to try this shit. See if this door open. Of course it is. I don't like no doors. I'm not from Philly. All right, we don't want the tent. Hold on. About to get comfortable in this joint real quick. You go ahead and I would have did the review in there with my boy Fernando, but I don't know how that copyright shit work yet, so we gonna find out one day. All right. Let me set this joint up. Everybody get it popping. Oh, I set this joint up upside down. That's all right. That's all right. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Man, $5. Can't really beat that. Got the chicken shawarma. It's about $5 worth though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna show y'all on this camera right here real quick. I know it's dark. I'll still be coming out the house late. And it's also winter time, but I'm gonna give y'all another view. Alright, so as y'all can see, got the shawarma, got the salad. This joint do look good though, I ain't gonna lie. That joint look popping. I said, give me a little bit of white sauce, extra hot sauce. Could have went more in the hot sauce, but it's alright. Alright, so let's try this joint out. Let my man Fernando know how it is. All right, anytime I go to a halal spot, it's always shawarma, bro. I fucking love shawarma. All right, got the long rice. Got the chicken in this joint. See what it's hitting for. All right. This joint smacking a little bit. I mean, first of all, $5, bro. Can't beat this. Come get you a little $5 plate. It's joint all right. It's joint all right. They give me a 2018 Cottman Avenue. Said they're about to open another joint down. Gerard. I think he said 29th and Gerard. Said West, yeah, West Gerard, 29th and Gerard. See what this little salad talking about. Then you get the salad, you gotta get a piece of everything. Got the lettuce, the onion, the tomato. It's a salad. It tastes fresh though. Everything tastes fresh in this joint. Mm-hmm. The rice cooked to perfection. Mm-hmm. The rice got flavor to it too. It's all right. Now we giving it on a number scale. Probably get this joint like a 7. I feel like the chicken could have a little bit more flavor to it, but the rice is flavorful. And I probably should have went a little more white sauce on this, John, and a lot more hot sauce. I don't really got no complaints, man. $5. I think it's a good deal. They had other things in there, like the slider, they said, with the hot chicken. Wait! Where you going, girl? Baby, won't you swing my way? Got something I want to say. You know what? I think I'm about to go order me a hot chicken, Joe. Hot chicken slider. Yeah, I'm about to go try that. Might as well, right? $5. Sliders these days be expensive. Cucumber. I want to see if that slider is really a slider or just a chicken sandwich, because they be calling chicken sandwiches sliders in Philly. I don't know what be going on. I'm gonna go try that, John. I'm trying to get it extra spicy. See what it's talking about. I'm about to go let him know. We can make this better. Yeah, I said just a little bit more seasoning on the chicken. Like, it's not bland at all. All the spices come through. It's just, I eat a lot of shawarma. I eat a lot of chicken shawarma, bro. And this could just be a little bit better. Man, buddy, whipping that truck. I went to pole, nigga. Oh, you're not even in the parking space, bro. Oh, now you want to back up. You coming to get a $5 platter? Think buddy coming to get a $5 platter. Don't hit my truck. So yeah, get it joint 7. It's a chicken shawarma. They got other stuff on the menu. So definitely be back for this. I'm passing by. I'll be whipping down Cottman a lot, so. Smoothie John. This joint is actually crazy. Like, it definitely has a texture between a smoothie and a milkshake, because it's not like really thick like a milkshake, but it don't got like the I feel like when you're drinking a smoothie, they blend it up to where you just feel like bits and pieces of shit in the smoothie, like, you know, your fruits and stuff. So I'm getting it, or it could be the ice. I'm getting that texture a little bit. Like, Oreo smoothie is crazy. All right, I'm about to go see if this chicken sandwich is hot or not. Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I got. That song stuck in my head. Yo, Fernando, the slider. That's your hot?
You want spice?
Yeah, I want it as spicy as possible. Extra hot, yeah. So this the extra spicy sandwich. Don't mind my ashy hands. It's cold out here. But look like they're using the dry rub for the spice. See the chicken, the fries. So yeah, the shawarma was good enough for me to go ahead and grab a spicy slider. And just like I said, man, this ain't no goddamn slider. This is a motherfucking chicken sandwich, nigga. But I'll take it. You got the fries. They give you some kind of little sauce with it. Fries is crunchy. Whatever this little sauce is, real good. Got a little bit of sweetness to it. I think they might have put the same sauce on the sandwich. Not sure. I'll taste that in a second. But the fries is good. They like the carnival fries. I gotta start keeping either salt and vinegar seasoning or freaking a little spray bottle of vinegar and some salt. My niece and nephew put me on that. And that Mustang sound good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take a bite out of this, John. So the chicken is juicy as hell, bro. Like, I wish I could have filmed inside. I could show y'all shit, but the chicken is juicy. Like, that bite was juicy as hell. Good, delicious, smacking. Go find somebody mama to smack. Chicken is juicy, it's hot. It's flavorful. No, nothing ever be spicy enough for me though. Like, I can do the Dave's. I'm gonna do that joint for you. We're not even gonna talk about that right now. We're talking about my boy Fernando in there, fire fried hot chicken. Now that sandwich for $5 and some fries, bro. What? So essentially, for the same price of all these other chicken spots, you can come to this place. You can get 3 chicken sandwiches and basically like an extra large fry for $15. That's a steal. That's a steal of a deal. I just don't know how the chicken is so good, bro. This is a good sandwich, man. This is a good sandwich. I don't think I got a pickle yet. Let me take a bite of this pickle. No diddy. The pickle always turn the chicken sandwich up, bro. The chicken sandwich good as shit, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all. It just tastes so fresh. It's so juicy. Got a little bit of spice. Next time I try to come get one of these, I'm telling them extra spicy. You can eat the fries without the sauce. Oh, okay, cool as shit. Yo, Northeast white boys. Grandpa cool as shit. You got the flares on, the hill figure bubble. Okay, Grandpa. He been around the block. He probably been dating black Jones since '63. Yeah, so once again, my freaking camera fell, bro. I gotta get a new mount or something. But I ain't gonna lie, it's definitely one of the best chicken sandwiches I had. The bread is good. It's all soggy from the juiciness of the chicken. Probably a little grease mixed in there too, but it's all good. That's what you get with fried food. It's just so good, man. See, man, I'm about to get up out of here though. But fire fried hot chicken, 2018 Cottman Avenue. They got something good going on over here, y'all. Got something real good going over here. I was trying to save half this joint until I got to the crib with another bevy, a real bevy. I can't stop eating it. It's just too good. It's making my nose run a little bit. I know you're gonna be liking the chicken that had a little, whatever that piece in the chicken that y'all be taking out the chicken breast and shit, but bite around that part. The rest of the chicken sandwich is delicious. And for a rating, 9.5 out of 10, bro. 9.5 out of 10. This joint is like that. This joint like that. This might be the only thing. I gotta try everything on the menu for $5, but boy. Ladies and gentlemen, fire fried hot chicken. Serving up some good eats. So like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Peace.